Malak, what are we doing?
We're making a fruit bowl for our party.
Okay, so I feel like we haven't introduced this video at all. Basically, Malak, Louis, Ali, and I are moving to Holland. I'm moving in 2 days. Malak, when are you moving?
September.
Malak is moving in September, so that's in less than a month. And Ali is also moving tomorrow, and Louis is moving like next week, I think. So we're hosting a party for our friends, and it's at my house. And we are very stressed because we have like maybe half an hour to get ready.
So, you're moving, right?
So are you?
Yeah, but like in a like.
I'm moving now.
You're
moving in, like,
you're already on the way.
Like mentally, I'm not even here right now. Moving is weird. I've been saying goodbye to everything. Like I walk through the streets of Düsseldorf like when I'm on my way to work and I'm like, goodbye ice cream shop I went to in 5th grade. Like I'm literally saying goodbye to everything.
I say goodbye to everything too, but like in less of a dramatic way, I think. Hey again. We're in Antonia's room right now. She's downstairs. I thought that was a person, but that's just good old Harry. Do you have anything to say? No? Kiss Harry, but I made a kissing.
Who's rich and silent.
Yeah. So,
We miss you. You've always been a heart.
we want to say we love you and we miss you.
We miss you.
And
I'm gonna make a song out of that.
okay, we're
We
gonna
love
make.
you.
We miss you. Ooh.
Cause you and me got a whole lot of history.
History.
We could be the greatest thing that the world has ever seen. Cause you and me got a whole lot of history.
Back to the vlog. We're gonna go take pictures in front of this wall. Say hi, Julia.
Hello, this is my Wattpad story.
You
My
been?
mom walked into my room one day, my alcoholic mom, and she said, I'm selling you. And then there was you know Wattpad, or is this very scary for you?
I do know.
Okay, good, because this would be very weird. And then there was a knock at the door, and I opened it because my mom shouted at me too. She's a shitty mom. And I opened it, and then this gorgeous man, who's my height apparently, I thought this was real life size.
It is life size.
God, he's never gonna love me.
Right?
So he's at the door, and I'm like, oh my god, Harry Styles from One Direction? And he's like, yeah, love, what about it? Tony better not put this on YouTube. I did a one-pet rendition with bacon here. You can watch it tomorrow. Good morning. Welcome to my moving vlog. I'm moving to Amsterdam to go to uni. I'm not actually moving today, I'm moving tomorrow, but I haven't packed yet. My friends are still sleeping upstairs, but I'm gonna start cleaning now because the floor is absolutely disgusting. Good morning! I finished cleaning the house. It's like 5 p.m. now. Yay! I love cleaning up after parties. I wasn't cleaning the whole time. I actually went through some pictures on my phone and started crying, so that was a moment for me. This is my closet right now. I have no idea what I'm gonna be taking. My entire room is a mess, and I don't know how to start. Oh shit, that scared me. I don't know how to pack to move out. Like, I barely know how to pack for vacation, right? So now I'm just overwhelmed, but it's okay. We're gonna be listening to some throwback music and we're gonna probably start crying again, but it's okay.
A few moments later.
Hello. Are you still crying? Yes. I haven't stopped in like 2 hours. all I ever wanted to do was leave. But no, I have so much that I want to stay for.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I look a lot better now, not crying anymore. Packing is going okay, but because I was crying so much and I've just been very emotional today, my parents were like, let's go get dinner at one of your favorite restaurants, you know, one last time before you move out. And that's what we're doing now. So I got ready. Let me show you my outfit. Ignore the mess if that's possible. It's this cute dress. I'm just gonna wear white sneakers, and yeah, that's the outfit. And we're gonna go to the city now. Hi, so we just had dinner in Düsseldorf. I didn't want to film there because it was pretty full. There is a surprise guest who's gonna show up in like 15-20 minutes. This means a lot to me and I'm very happy right now, even though I'm in a gross supermarket bathroom. I need to finish packing when I'm home because I didn't finish packing actually. I finished packing like clothes, but that's it. Okay. It's not focusing!
Oh Mann. Wie geht's dir?
Cheers, Mama!
Liegt man vorm Grill?
Cheers!
Whoa.
Bye! I love you! Focus, focus, focus. Okay, so I finished and I'm now in my empty room. Empty, this is everything I'm leaving behind. It's already past 9 and we have to leave right now, and I'm gonna get in trouble for even filming this, but I just wanted to say a fun little goodbye to my room. Yeah! Ich komme!
When you left this town, your windows down, let the exits back.
The apartment is actually cute in real life too. So we're in the apartment right now and everything's nice. I kind of already redecorated my bedroom and now we're on our way to get some food, and then we're gonna go to IKEA because we need to get some stuff, and a supermarket, and that's what our day is gonna be. So yeah. My parents just left. Today was such an eventful day and like we got so much done. Like we went to IKEA, we completely like redid my bedroom, we redid the living room, and now I've just got all my stuff like on the floor, or not all of it because my closet, for example, I completely filled that up already, but then I've got some random stuff out here. It's currently 10:41. I'm starving. I am so hungry. One thing I just realized when my parents left is that I don't know how to use a gas stove, and I don't know how to use the washing machine here, so stay tuned for that in upcoming vlogs, me figuring out how to like adult, I guess. I'm alone. I'm alone in an apartment. I have my own kitchen. Like, I've lived in like dorms before, right, at boarding school, but I never had like my own kitchen. I was never alone, and I never had like a living room, a shower. Like, okay, I had of course I had a shower, but like I didn't have like, I don't know, all of this belongs like to me. All of this is mine. That's insane. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I guess I've collected enough footage of me crying. Let's see how much of that I am going to keep in. I'm planning on vlogging a lot more now that I live alone and now that I'm experiencing more like new things, so definitely stay tuned for like uni vlogs. And I just want to keep it real with everyone, so I really think I'm gonna keep some of the crying in the video because this move has been very emotional, which I might talk about, but honestly, why would I? Because it's like nobody's business. She says in a vlog about her life. Yeah. Thank you for moving with me. Welcome to my life in Amsterdam. Woo!